What's up? And welcome back to another paintless dent repair. I'm Clark Ken, the man of steel. Today on YouTube, I am fixing a big deep dent using an auto body dent puller. This suction device is great for pulling out large damaged dents without damaging the exterior paint. If you're a new subscriber, put in the comments that you're a new subscriber and I will personally respond. Now it's time to take a look at the body repair technique. Today, I'm working on a Honda Accord door panel. The dent is big and deep with some thick crowning just above the molding. I'm going to be using one of my favorite tools. It's an auto body dent puller. This pneumatic tool provides a strong vacuum power for your paintless dent repair needs. This tool makes it easy and fast pulling large damage from the body of your car. I'm going to start the process with some heat. I am now pulling the trigger on the torch. I'm wanting to fan the flame a few inches from the paint. Grabbing the pneumatic slide hammer, I turn the air valve in the open position. I'm going to place the suction cup end of the tool under the crown in the deepest section inside the dent. My right hand is on the knurled handle and my left hand is on the black handle. Giving the auto body slide hammer a strong pull, and pow! Biggest section popped right out. Let's take a second look at the first vacuum pull. This is one powerful tool. 85% of the dent is gone. There's lots of small dented sections that will need to be addressed. Now it's time for step number 2. After using the 6-inch suction cup, now I'm going to make a series of pulls with the Glexo cold glue system. Let's start by wiping down the panel with an alcohol spray. This will help the tabs grip the panel better. I'm going to grab the 3-inch steel crease tab and lock it into the slide hammer. I'm using a little heat on the dented area and going to push and twist the tab inside the dent. First pull with the cold glue. Pull number 2 with a little heat. And pull number 3. Now I'm going above the body line for pull number 4. Let's take a look at step number 2 and you can see there was no metal movement. This dent wants to be stubborn. In the beginning, I was hoping this dent would pop right out. It's not the case here. You can see the remaining dent is not moving. This is when things get frustrating. You're in a rush and you have other cars to get done. Step number 3, I'm going behind the panel with some paintless dent repair rods. I have a split screen rolling. On the left, I have an old set of PDR rods I purchased on Craigslist at a discount price. You can see I have a window protector along with 2 window wedges in place. I'm going to start by running my rods down the window on one of the remaining low areas that crosses the body line and goes into the top section of the door. With the window tool, I'm making a series of pushes using the reflection from the PDR light. That line area, I'm using precise pushing. I have to be careful to stay inside the dent. On the right, I'm using a hammer and a knockdown on the lifted crown areas. Using the reflection from the light, I am strategically going up and down on the crown, taking down layers, getting the panel flat again. Now I'm going to open up the wire harness, and I will be using a 24-inch, a 42-inch single bend rod that I purchased from Ultra. I will be placing some links down below, including the vacuum paintless dent repair slide hammer. There is crowning around the entire dent, the thickest crown being at the bottom. The remaining damage will be the toughest to get out. Thank you for watching my video. Would you like to see more videos on auto body paintless dent repair? Like, comment, and subscribe, and most importantly, hit that notification button, and I will see you when I drop my next video. You guys continue forging your future. I'm signing off.